In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the MindBody Business App for point of sale. We'll explore how this versatile app can streamline your business operations, enhance client interactions, and ultimately help you succeed in managing your services. Let's dive right in with the online booking and scheduling feature. First, log into your MindBody Business App or access it via your desktop dashboard. Navigate to Schedule, then Classes, and finally Add Class. Here, you're going to input essential details like the class name, the instructor, duration, and capacity. Once you've set this up, clients can view and book classes effortlessly through your MindBody app listing, your website's booking widget, or even a direct link you share on social media. A handy tip is to enable the waitlist feature to ensure your loyal clients never miss a class when spots get filled. Next, let's explore integrated payments. MindBody offers secure payment processing via MindBody Payments. To get started, head over to Sales, followed by Settings, and then MindBody Payments. Here, you'll need to set up your business banking details and connect your account. Once you're all set, you'll be able to accept payments online, in person, or via mobile checkout. Your clients can pay for various services such as drop-in classes, memberships, gift cards, and even packages or passes. As a bonus, you can set up recurring billing for memberships, ensuring your clients remain active while you enjoy predictable income. Now, moving on to client management or CRM. This feature allows you to keep track of every client interaction and purchase automatically. Start by going to Clients, then Client List. By clicking on a client's name, you can view details like their booking history, memberships, personal notes and preferences, and contact details. Consider adding notes such as prefers morning yoga or has shoulder injury to personalize their experience. It's advisable to use tags like VIP, trial, or new client to effectively group clients for future marketing campaigns. The marketing suite and automations are powerhouses for business growth. Navigate to Marketing and then Marketing Suite to explore various options. You can run campaigns by sending newsletters, offers, or updates. Automations let you set up sequences like welcome, win back, or birthday flows. Promotions allow you to run special offers, keep track of their performance under Insights to monitor open rates and conversions. Clients particularly appreciate automated "We miss you" reminders, bringing back inactive members to your classes. The MindBody app also integrates with virtual wellness, perfect for hybrid fitness studios or online coaching. To enable this, go to Settings and select MindBody Virtual Wellness. When you create a class, be sure to toggle Enable Virtual Class. This automatically generates a private streaming link for clients who book virtual sessions, allowing them to participate from anywhere through their confirmation email or the app. Finally, reports and analytics help track crucial business metrics. Navigate to Reports and then Business Reports, where you can view sales, attendance, and retention reports. Export reports in PDF or Excel formats for bookkeeping. Utilize these insights to refine class schedules, adjust pricing strategies, and make informed marketing decisions. I hope this walkthrough helps elevate your MindBody app usage and enhances your business operations. Thank you for watching, and remember,